In manufacturing, some processes are considered too complex to automate, parts too small, production demands too high, variation too great. Microscopic parts, high volume, high accuracy, high mix. Most automation systems can handle two of these challenges, but not all three. And that's where SureControls engineers a different approach. On this project, instead of forcing a standard solution, the team engineered a new one, designed specifically for the demands of micro-automation.
Traditional automation systems are typically geared towards lower volume or lower mix, so they either do one system extremely fast or multiple systems fairly slow. We were able to combine both of those to get high repeatability, accuracy, part mix, and the ability to program new parts in the future.
This automation project was so difficult because we are tasked by our customer to handle part down to 15,000 of an inch with a high speed inspection down to 750 milliseconds, with a high accuracy with part tolerance down to 10,000 of an inch.
These parts are so difficult to automate because of their size and the ability to handle them. For reference, the range that we're able to do is 15 thousandths of an inch to 600 thousandths of an inch. And 15 thousandths of an inch compared to a normal business card would fit just on the edge or comparable to about the size of a grain of sand.
By integrating precision robotics, advanced vision systems, and high-performance controls, they created a system capable of operating at an entirely different level. They developed custom logic and embedded specialized calculations directly into the control system, pushing beyond what traditional platforms were built to do.
The picking and placing of the part was very challenging, using telecentric lenses to avoid any parallax and placing the part into a glass tabletop without allowing any movement of the part once placed, which will impact inspection and unloading the part from the tabletop. This system is capable of picking, placing, inspecting more than 100,000 parts a day.
Allowing the operators and engineers to add recipes efficiently in minutes, not hours or days, is extremely important because of the hundreds and thousands of parts that are going to be entered, and we've allowed that to happen by just engineering a system that can have all those parameters entered through the HMI, so engineers and operators do not have to go into the PLC, robots, cameras.
The outcome is a micro-automation solution that challenges long-held assumptions. Handling microscopic parts at high speed with high accuracy and high variability, all in a single system.
We were able to engineer around these limitations with the use of our partners, their equipment, and our engineering staff using Asyril flexible feeders, Mecademic robots, Cognex and Keyence cameras, and Ignition for the controls platform. When micro-automation seems impossible to automate, SureControls finds a way.